Good morning, sir. Myself Harish Madi. Today I am here to give you the seminar on internship which is carried out at HHP Diesel Loco Shed, Southwestern Railways, Hubli. First of all, I would like to thank our college and HOD sir to give us an opportunity to go through this internship under the guidance of internal guide Dr. Anil Sharati sir and external guide SM Rahman, who is the chief instructor of the HHP Diesel Loco Shed. This is the certificate provided by the company for the 1 month of training, and these are the contents of the seminar about the company, customers of the company, product and service, and department work on, and finally conclusion. About the company, the name of the company is HHP Diesel Loco Shed. HHP stands for high horsepower. The year of the establishment is June 1999 and located at Hubli Gadag Road, Railways Colony. And the owner of this company is Southwestern Railways, Sri Besh Dutt. The type of the first loco bought in the shed is 13 WDG4 loco with a 12 staff member, in which 5 supervisors and 7 technicians were there. In the period of September 1999 to December 2000, 8 loco sheds were imported under the breakdown conditions. In July 2016, the diesel loco shed holding capacity reached to 200 locos and presently is 206. The total area of the company is 75 acres. Customers of the company. The customers of this company is Indian Railways itself, and the most important customer of the locomotives are Indian citizens. Hence, the loco shed is established for proper maintenance and repair for the diesel locomotives so as to provide the peaceful and comfortable journey for their users. Not only railways are used by the individual citizens, but they are also used by the companies of India to transport the goods and the various other equipment such as coal, food, product, grain, machineries, etc. Product and services. The diesel loco shed is an industrial technical setup where repair and maintenance works of diesel locomotive is carried out so as to keep the locomotive work properly. It contributes to increase the overall service life of the diesel locomotive and tries to minimize the reason of failure. The technical maintenance of the shed also increases the efficiency of locomotive and reduces the failure of the locomotives. The diesel loco shed usually has platform for loco maintenance, pits for underside maintenance, heavy lift cranes and lifting jacks, fuel storage and the lubrication, oil storage, water treatment plant and testing plant, sub-assembly and overhauling station, repair stations and welding shop. This is a department which I had worked, that is turbo section and the clutch failure. This is a brief introduction about the turbocharger. Turbo is called turbine in the Greek language, which means mixing, usually mixing of air and fuel. In also Latin words, it is turbo, which is spinning top. It is also called as turbo supercharger, and it is first invented by the Swiss engineer Alfred Bucci in 1905. And the applications of this turbocharger is used in P47 Thunderbolt and P38 Lightning and automobile cars. This is a diagram of the turbocharger which is there in the locomotive, and as you can see, the green part as a driving gear trains, and yellow one is lubrication, and the light pink is bearing, which is usually used to support and to avoid the vibrations, and the left side blue portion is a compression section, and red one is turbine section. These are the real pictures which is taken in the plant. This is the actual view of the turbocharger. As you can see in the first picture, it's having exhaust chimney, turbo wallet and impeller inlet. And second picture, that is a back view of the turbocharger with the gear assembly and the exhaust gas. This is the cause and the effect diagram for the turbo failure. As you can see, the blue one is a major cause and the green one is minor causes. The major causes like the machine, environment, measurement, people, methods, material, in green, which caused by the damaged blades, air filter clogging, piston leakage, guide blades, etc. Under the material, lack of material data and fuel. Under the method, improper method of handling and improper fuel supply. Under people, negligence of worker and the human errors and lack of communication. This is the main fishbone diagram as shown. And we have given the suggestion for possible ways to overcome the failure of turbocharger: changing the property of the lubrication oil, that is proper calcium content, and cleaning the engine air box, avoiding the foreign particles to enter into the exhaust manifold, and external inspection of the turbochargers to see any cracks or there are no, and the proper power assemblies, injector pumps, engine timing and other adjustments, use of the proper safe gaskets. So two gaskets are usually used to prevent the leakages, and proper installation and the fitting of turbocharger and components, providing the non-stick coating for the guide beds. Providing non-stick coating for the guide blades means it will not stick the carbon deposits on the guide blades. As you can see the photographs of the failed parts in the turbocharger. Compressor in the first picture, compressor guide vane, in second one is blade with the deposited carbon and the exhaust screen. And this is about the failure of the clutch in the loco. As we know, clutch is engaging and disengaging, the wear and tear is very more. That's why the clutch metal to metal contact during the operation. The EDM current recommendation is to replace the turbo to prevent the clutch failure every 3 years or every after 24 hours of the operation. EDM stands for electromotive diesel, which is American manufacturers. And clutch life can become adversely affected in the turbo if it is subjected to abnormal vibration level due to motor imbalance, warm planetary gears, lack of proper lubrications and bearing failure, and frequent abnormal cycles such as from surging and contaminated lubricant oil and turbine blade fatigue. This is a photograph of the damaged roller because of the continuous wear. This is the clutch failure history which is collected in the workshop. As you can see, the column consists of serial number, loco's number, fitted date, failed date, life in month, make means which is manufactured by two companies, EDM and DLW. EDM is electromotive diesel and the DLW is diesel locomotive works. And there are some remarks. What are the causes of failure of the turbochargers? And here the possible ways to overcome the failure of the clutch is: use the clamp plate and ideal gear and roller of the same metal and the same hardness by changing the property and increasing the strength of the spring and curve. Use of the lubrication oil with the high TBN content. TBN stands for total base number, and proper planetary gate and mesh. And finally, conclusion. I learned about the GN locomotives and its various parts. We specially studied about the different parts, working, troubleshooting problems and maintenance of the turbochargers and clutch installed in the locomotives. We also came to know about the work, maintenance and the job that are performed in the Hubli diesel loco shed, and we also had an opportunity to see the loading and unloading of the turbocharger locomotives. Thank you.